best of all, I'm shining right. Best of all, I'm shining right.
Type Beats Entertainment.
I'm walking in the club, spotting out all these bitches. They all looking good, like them healthy with them hips. Put a milk at the top. When she riding in on the shit, then she know that I make a cherry pop. Eat that pussy like it open the shit, then I'm going. To a little freaky, she can't handle what I'm really talking about. Talking in that language that you don't know. Better talk my language, better talk language, better talk language, better talk to me when I'm in it. I'ma get it. She know when I leave in her crib, I'm about to go get it, till I ain't got nothing else finished. What you mean by that? I'm talking about acting loose as that. We get another one thing, you try to take it, that's called flipping back. We ride down, we ride low, we keep cash, now no flows. I'm too hot, I'm too cold. Matter of fact, man, put me in the physio. Take girl, put that on ice, need that on ice, put Henny on ice. Anything she on, get it in, she knows she gon' carry to me all night on that pimp shit. Yeah, you know why? Get it real quick, never kick it, never gonna stop my hustle or grind until I know I'm at the finish line. Finish line, give it to them J's and give me all with everything. Sometimes when you get a black hair, sometimes they don't really give you everything. And I'm hungry, and I'm starving, niggas snatching, and they grabbing, trying to see how much is in their purse. A little cash, okay, I'm back in, now we back in. Then you slow it down, put it in the map, put me on map, cause I can know when they're going, I'm going in like I really should, what they need tell me I need to really stop my flow, can't stop my flows, cause I keep going like the Energizer, but now you know, you can't be as hot as this, cause I'm the shit, might as well shit, diarrhea out quick, getting on 4 class on the top, getting in the mouth in the class, look at me, I'm hot, bouncing up and down in the crowd, with the crowds getting really wild, tell them to just take off their shirt, let me work some, let me see some, what you work with, wanna see how them heels move, when I'm about to get behind you, can you move them heels real quick, real fast, put it on gas, put it on that ass, like that ass, she know I'm about to get it quick, little bad watching out when you talk to me, man, take your bitch home, then she gon' fuck me, then I'll leave her ass hanging, don't wanna know if I don't even gotta explain it, don't try to have me explain myself. First 48 at the scene, you better ask for help. Never snitch though, that shit ain't funny, that shit ain't cool. They leave your ass in snitches, then they rip you up like a typhoon. Beast mode on your ass, get it though, laying low. Can't stop my hustle or my flow, cause I'm gonna get it till I can't stop, till I stop, till I run out of breath or till my fucking heart stops. I'ma shine till I die, and I'm not gonna quit till they know that I'm the shit, realest motherfucking bitch. Yeah, you know that I only ride with niggas with them clips, and I ain't gonna stop my hustle or an envy clip. Then they knowin' how I do it and how I really shine and how I'm grinding. Then I'm going to the top and yeah, I'm climbing. See that highest mountain, smoking out like Smoky Mountains. Then they know where I'm from, from that top of Tennessee, where I'm from. K-Town is my home. Never gonna turn my back on it, cause it's my throne. Killing beats like I oughta should. When you running out of breath, that's mean you doing what you should. Realest in the building, I ain't even finished. Got some rhymes for them days, for them haters and them chickens, them chicken legs, wings. Tell her whip it up, I need that whole meal, cause I eat good like I should. Then you put it back, then you whip it, then you get it forth. Then you, when they hating on you, then that's when they pray for you. But I don't pray for these fucking haters. Let them die slowly, kill them in their mind, cause they hate us. We don't sit and feed off they negativity. Look at me, I'm D-Day, and I'm going to eat a key. A key of money, key of cars, a key of everything.